आपने जो कैलेंडर स्प्रेड किया था, आपको कितना टाइम देना पड़ता था डेली ऑन बेसिस पे?
See, I work in the night and I hardly get time in the day. So, I work US firm where after Corona, I need to work from home. So, night work and daytime.
ओके।
So, as you people say that, enter market only at 10 a.m. I used to see the market at 10 a.m. and then in the mid and 3 o'clock, I'll be having alarm to check what happened. Only, very, very short time.
मतलब
Once
आप
we
10 मिनट भी आपको नहीं देना पड़ता था?
Yeah, maximum 10-15 minutes to just have a look at it. Even that is not required actually to speak.
हम्म।
So, to check our targets, whether we need to have more or, we are fine to exit whatever that we plan. For that, we need to check it out. For
Correct.
implementation of the strategy, it will take hardly, very less time. But I was little feared earlier because you know that I used to work 20 lots, 30 lots earlier. Then
Correct.
Nifty lot size is 50.
हाँ।
Now it is reduced to 25. So still I'm coping up with the same kind of a lot. So I was in a crossroads where jumping into different strategies here and there. Not successful. I'm a bit successful in the investing part, but not successful in the positional or whatever monthly earning kind of a stuff. Only when I trusted you people and jumped into the Nifty CS from that point of time. My monthly P&L showing overall profit. I can that right. Earlier I already told you that I want to leave my night job and I want to because that is hitting my health.
करेक्ट
So I
करेक्ट।
want to jump into the daytime job. Now working with Nifty CS, I want to work on the daytime job now, leaving the nighttime job. I thought, stock market is only the full-time job that I planned earlier.
करेक्ट
Now it
करेक्ट।
is not taking much time, and even with the mobile, I can exit the trade. With the mobile, I can, enter the trade and all. By seeing this simple stuff, I don't know what I'm doing all these ages, I don't know why this didn't struck me because all these things helped only because of you, as your mentor. You spoon fed me. You spoon fed not only me, all the other people. You come and show the strike prices and you ask us to enter. Then there will be little fluctuations, but whenever we ask, we get only message that hold from your side.
करेक्ट
Then again a message comes from you saying that whether you exited the trade or not with the profit.
करेक्ट।
So even we doesn't want to look the monitor because you are giving that as well. When to exit because we are all together entering into the market with the Nifty calendar spread, and then you are observing and giving the hints for us to when to exit and all.
करेक्ट करेक्ट।
So this is simply amazing. Even
Do
I
you,
thought
do
of
you
my
think people who are not in the hand holding with us, can they scale their lot size and can they scale this game to the level that they can have a second source of income?
it's very tough actually. Hand holding majorly helped us. Without hand holding, it's not possible because putting a lot of money and waiting is very difficult.
Correct.
If you see even Nifty now jumping 200 points up, 200 points down and all, these fluctuations we can't digest. Only we can see, once we get 2 months, 3 months profit, even though we have that kind of a fluctuation,
Correct.
then
Correct.
we'll be little easy. And you took us to do the back testing part and all, you asked us to do the homework part and then submitting to you. These things all build us the confidence to put, these things. You know that, right? I'm working around 30 lakhs with this Nifty
Ah,
strategy, 15 lakhs in my account, 15 lakhs in my wife's account, and I'm doing this with the both accounts where my wife works as a teacher in private school, struggling every day. Now she stopped and she is monitoring her trades and all, enjoying her life.
now she is doing
I
trade
I
on your behalf. Correct.
yeah, she comfortable now, executing trades and all. Like we come back to you now, she has come back to me that whether she did correct or not and all. So I'm pretty happy because this Nifty calendar spread. I don't know. 10 years back, if I know this, I would have minted money, and I would have relaxed very much. I spent a lot of time in my family and touring all the stuff. Even
Correct.
I went 15 days other tour kind of a stuff. still I executed the trade, and I captured my even touring amount with the Nifty
Okay.
CS thing at that point of time.
How much profit you are making on this huge amount of capital on the percentage terms? How much profit you are making?
See, I'll tell you as a lot wise. You people said when Nifty CS on one lot, we can wait for 18,000 to 1800 to 2000 when Nifty
Correct.
lot size is 50.
50, huh?
So I was taking, I work for two accounts, one with my account, one with my wife account.
Mhm.
One account I'll stick to the principal that
Okay.
whatever that 15 to 18 I get, I'll take that.
Okay.
In the other account, whenever I see 1.5%, 2%, I'll take that. Immediately I'll implement based on the Nifty where it stands, and based on that I'll take the strikes and I'll work.
Okay.
Like that, I'm getting 6% in a month. 1.5% or 2% like that, I can execute 3 to 4 trades in a month. You know that, right? We start working
Correct.
on 15,
Correct. Whenever you take the small
the previous
steps,
month.
you have a longer.
Yeah, but it's again that thing is against our rules. But it's working for me. I'm getting little more to that my wife's account. Sticking with the same rules, which we should not do initially. But as you know, I am surpassed with 4-5
Our
months
our
now.
main
So
goal is only to make people independent, that they can take the trades on their own. They can have their own critical thinking situations that they can implement in their trades as well. That's our main priority.
right,
Correct.
right.
So you are
So
enjoying.
as a mentor, you worked with us a lot and backtesting part, which give a confidence. Now
Correct.
probably I may be putting some more capital, and we want to enjoy a life now.
Yes.
Uh, yeah, this is only where we get money as well as we get a lot of time in life. Otherwise, 9 to 6 job, or else my job starts at the evening 7 p.m. and till morning 4 p.m., where I need to sleep entire day. After Nifty CS came, I was 10 minutes in the 10 o'clock, and 10 minutes in the 3 o'clock. I used to just check what is happening because of the curiosity. Now even I'm not checking at all 1 week what is happening. Only the boundary stuff. At the end of the day, I'm just checking whether it crossed our boundaries or not. But still, we get lot of around 1,200 to 1,500, even sometimes 2,000 points also in the monthly thing. People
Correct.
struggle working on daily stuff or weekly stuff or 2 weeks, bi-weekly, all these things. But calendar, this thing is very happy actually. So it's working with us because Nifty may not go 1,000 points here and there, except very few occasions. If something happened very bad or very great.
Even in that situation,
So
let's look at the election situation. The market fell 2,000 points, then it recovered 3,000 points. Still, there was not a miss in the calendar split strategy. You were still in the profit only at the end of the day.
but as per our rule, we stopped before 1 week, and we
Correct.
again started after 1 week. So
It's our
stick to the
priority
rules.
to
Those
save
points
capital.
where saving capital, and again even if that kind of a thing hurt us, then again it's a little challenge for us. So you have some points where we should not trade, so we are sticking to that. So we are happy.
Funny, that's good
I
only.
didn't face it. Yeah, I didn't face any challenge. Even after adjustments also I got profit actually. We generally say that after adjustments, exited cost to cost or something like that. But still, I'm making some money because after adjusting, price will come, and in between two calendars, that's what we do. In between. So there is huge range. Sometimes tempting to get the maximum profit as also.
Correct.
But still, as per rule, we need to exit,
Actually, we made the
whatever.
rules. We made the rules for the larger public, like who are not the rich,
Right.
and they want a stable income with even with a little compromised percentage as well. So that's why we made the rules. But rules are not even it's said only.
Yeah, if we get some more experience, then we can tweak bit and get more percentage as well. That's what I understood. But slowly, steadily, 0.5% more or 1% more, like that we are trying. So one tweak is that I'm getting 1.5 to 2%, then I'm exiting, and again I'm implementing.
And you are
Like that, I'm getting 3 to 4 trades, where I'm getting 6% around.
Correct.
In the other account, 4% exit, something like that. So happy.
Okay, so on if you on average terms, we can say you are making 5% consistent return on the month-on-month basis.
Yes,
And
definitely. 5,000 per 1 lakh.
By just putting 10 to 15 minutes a day.
Not even that, if you are experienced, then just execute the trade, and end of the day, you may check once. if required or not.
Do you
Because,
think
you know,
beginners
I'm
can
doing
also learn these all strategies and everything? Beginners can also learn.
definitely, if somebody wants, I can even, you know, give my number, I'll give feedback to them as well, you know, if required.
Correct.
So beginner even doesn't know what is stock market, ABCD. They can start because you people are there. You know, I never find such kind of a mentors where what is CE, what is CE. From there you are teaching, and you know how to put that into the watch list. From there, how to execute, and then people are struggling to execute. Still, you are teaching them how to execute.
Correct.
Even though they have different brokers and the terminals are different, but still you people are teaching such a way. I never seen, you know, such kind of a patience, especially you. And there are few mentors again in your same group, but I find you the better one among them. That is the reason even I took other course from other person as a mentor, but still I reached out to you. I didn't expect that you will help me, but you even helped in that as well.
Nani,
So
it's always my pleasure.
yeah, and in the tough times to adjust in the marketers, I don't know how you handle, but so many students still you reached out, most of them, and suggested that adjustment as well. So hats off. And I'm happy that I find you now as a mentor earlier, now become your friend, very close friend to me. So happy for that.
Nahi, it's always my pleasure. Huh? I also found very fascinating that you guys really believe on me and you just keep learning and keep listening to my instructions. Always I used to think कि आता हूँ 1 घंटे बोलता हूँ लोग समझते नहीं समझते मुझे पता नहीं चलता था. But then I saw
Yeah,
you are putting a lots and lots of money in the strategies that I'm just instructing you, and you're just having your own mind like what you should do and what you should not. So that's a fascinating thing that I found.
right. And to be frank with you, if experienced person comes with you, you find toughness because he has a lot of knowledge. To unlock that knowledge, it will find difficult for him.
Correct.
If a fresh person comes to you, it's very easy for him to learn whatever that you teaches, and he doesn't have any other knowledge because that helps for him to stick to the rules and, you know, make the money.
Correct.
And I can say only that, you know, if you are in a job and need a part time, then only this strategy will work because, you know, last 5-8 years. I went to so many people. I didn't mind paying the fee, but with that I made a lot of dent. So that should not happen actually. You know, people are teaching, and with that we are losing with the same kind of a strategy. They want to make money only for the teaching, you know, not for welfare of the students.
Correct.
That is not good actually, you know.
Simple mathematics. Even if you do simplest of the mathematics, it's completely hedged. It's delta neutral and everything is there. So the money is not at risk. You can always make money in this way. It's able.
Right. You asked us to do the back testing for 2 years. I did many more years, even tough times where 3, 4, 5, 6 adjustments also.
Even
In that way, we got a confidence actually.
even during the COVID time, even during the election time, even the budget time, you can always exit in the profit after doing the adjustment.
Yeah. And never exited with negative things in Nifty calendar spread.
Correct.
And I'm curious that you have a lot of other strategies even better than this.
Yes, there are. Even let me just give you a glimpse. On Monday we deployed a CS, and on Thursday only that was giving 2.5% return. And the range was around 25,000 on the upper side and 23,000 on the lower side, around 22,800.
Okay.
Still a bigger range, and even if the market remains in the same range for 1 week more, then you will have a 4% profit. In 2 weeks, in the 4% profit is too much, I think.
Right. So I understood that, you know, by naming big names, we should not join the course because they never come and teach us actually. You know, they'll employ some more clothes where they know half of the knowledge. They'll start teaching us where we never see the main person. That you understand where I'm coming from. Like you, if you get that, then from day one, it's very happy that, you know, you are not asked to enter into the trade day one. You said that understand this, do back testing, get confidence, then implement.
We are not here to give you the calls and tips. The main priority is only to just teach you how you can take a critical or the insight decision on yourself only. That's our main priority and that's main goal. We want to empower people through like they can make money without even looking at the charts and indicators. That's the main goal that we.
And after course, handholding helped us actually. You start putting your money and showing us, and we are again, not replicating exactly, but we are doing the same thing. We should not do, and doing that, and then whatever you said in the course and back testing, the same thing is happening. Where you should not, frustrated actually, even if minor redness, because it will be there, because one cell, one bike could be, here and there, it will happen for few 1 or 2 days. From
Correct.
there, it will be almost green every time, and then once we get profit,
If
we
you
try
follow
to make.
all those 7 golden rules that I made, if you follow that 7 golden rules of the convert strategy, you will be in the profit at the end of the month. That's the thing.
Right.
Only
That is happening. Yes, exactly. So very happy for that, and even myself and my wife also, happy. Her teaching job, she want to get out of that. She already done that. Last year she was there, and now she's again implementing that on her own. She doesn't know anything about stock market now. She don't know how to buy Reliance stock, but she know how to buy PE and PE now
See.
with our calendar spread and all. Only that, confined to that. That is very good actually. She's confined to the rules and all. So I'm happy.
She is able to
even-
make money because she don't have any
Yeah,
other
yeah.
to make, like the charts and the indicators. She isn't looking. She just completely relying on the mathematics. Just deploy this. If the range breaks, then we'll deploy another clean spread.
She know only Nifty index chart. That's it.
Okay, great.
She
That's
never
great.
open
Man.
anything.
You are making even the money without even just looking at the charts, and without even in fact without just deploying your time. You're just making your money buck for you. That's
Right.
the thing that you are
If
doing.
somebody knows how much fluctuation Nifty happens in an average, if they do that kind of a backtesting, that is enough actually.
That's enough.
Because our range,
If we look at
our range,
1 monthly chart, that the maximum high on top is the 1000 points or 1200 points.
right.
The normal Nifty calendar spread is giving you a range of 1000 and 1500 points. Then what is the worry?
Right.
We
And
are
our-
in the range.
And our adjustments, if we do that, then Nifty may not dare to even jump from there.
Even
maximum in a year.
3000 points gap up and gap down, you can easily handle through the Nifty calendar
Right.
spread. And they're using the adjustment.
Right. We did that adjustment even 13 times or 10 times as well to make a
We did
zero
that.
loss.
Correct.
Yeah. That is rare again if you come 5 years once or 4 years once.
Correct.
So happy on Nifty CS wise, and then I'm happy to start learning something else which will give you more than 4% now. Let us see
yes,
how that will go.
There are the things that can help you as well. Chalo, let's connect again, Naveen. Thank you very much for the feedback.
Sure.
And I hope the
All
things
right, okay.
will again for you.
Right. Thanks, Saket, and I'm happy that you are my mentor, and hope we'll continue this longer time.
Yes. Thank you.
Right, Saket. Thank you. Bye bye.